Such a lovely place you've got here. Is it usually this empty?
Hi there, the line symmetry. What is the line symmetry? How can we draw figures with line symmetry? That's what we are going to study today. The line symmetry, or the mirror line, is a line which can be drawn onto a shape to show that both sides have exact reflective symmetry. It's called a mirror line because it's acting exactly the same way of normal mirror does, reflecting a figure and flipping it. As you see on the screen, the line symmetry divides each figure into two identical parts. Now we have a short movie includes the idea of line symmetry.
If you discover the snapshot includes the line symmetry, leave it in a comment down this video.
Let's move to the next part of our lesson, how to draw figures with line symmetry. For 3 and 4 questions, draw a line of symmetry and complete the designs. As you see guys, in question number 3, we have a figure and we need to draw a line of symmetry first, then we complete the reflective part of the figure. So we should find the place of the mirror line which reflect the other part of the figure. So it will be here. How to complete the figure? We focus on the corners of the figure. The first corner, for example, it's away from the line by 2 units. So we draw a 2 units line. Then we start from the same corner there and we draw another 2 units line. The next line is only 1 unit, so we draw a 1 unit line. Then another 1 unit line. Focus in your drawing to complete the reflective part of the shape. Like that. Okay. The next example, question 4, by the same way. We put the line of symmetry and we imagine the place of the line which divide the shape into 2 identical figures. So exactly it will be here. Okay. The first corner is here. So we have to move 2 units from the line of symmetry in the opposite direction like that. Then the other line is 2 units as well. Then 1 unit. Focus on completing the reflective part. The last line As you see, it's slanted, so we should do the same but in the opposite direction, like that. Use the line of symmetry to draw a line symmetric figure. These examples are more difficult than the previous ones, but we will use the same exact way. Here we move 2 units from the line. We move the same number of units, 2 units as well, then 1 unit, then 1 unit, 1 unit. Focus on completing the same part reflectively. Okay, so we got the same reflective part. The next example, as you see, it's slanted. So we move slantly. We start from here. We have only 1 unit. So we draw 1 unit. Then, on the same direction, 1 unit. Like that. And here. We go back to the other half before drawing this. And look, this point move on this direction, as you see. So we move on the opposite direction, like that, 2 units. Then we close the figure like that. The last question, which of the following figures is symmetric about the dashed line? When you solve this question, remember all of the time when you stand in front of the mirror, how can you see yourself? You will see your image opposite to you. For example, the image of your face will be opposite to your face. So you should imagine all of the time this case when you stand in front of the mirror. As you see, the first choice is not correct. Move to the next one. The line is representing a mirror in this figure. Yes. So it's B. Choice C. Not correct, because the line is not representing a mirror. D is not correct as well, because the line divides the shape into 2 equal parts, but not identical, not the same, not opposite to each other. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to get the new videos. Goodbye.